story, how old is Muttaji? Patta and Putti jumped out of bed. It was Muttaji's birthday and they had to catch a train. Muttaji, who is the twins' mother's mother, lived in Mysore with Aji, who is the twins' mother's mother. No one actually knew when Muttaji's birthday was. Aji had always celebrated it on the Makara Sankranti holiday. Amma, will there be a cake? Asked Putti. A big spongy cake with pink icing and a rose on top? Nah, said Putta. Old people don't have cake, silly. And 200 candles won't fit on any cake. Muttaji isn't 200 years old, silly, said Putta. How old is Muttaji, Amma? Amma smiled. Why don't you ask her when we get there? The moment they reached the old greenhouse in Mysore, the twins burst into Muttaji's room. Happy birthday, Muttaji! How old are you today? Muttaji hugged the twins. How old am I? Who knows? How does it matter? But it does, cried Putta and Putti together. Well, she said, I know that 500 years before I was born, a Maharaja went to a grand party for the Indian Maharajas and Maharanis in Delhi. A British king and queen had come to visit and our Maharaja got a gold medal. Ooh, a party? There must have been lots of cake, said Patti. Who is the king, Muttaji? If you know, we can find out which year he visited, and if we add 5 years to that, we will know when you were born. Muttaji shrugged. I've forgotten, Putta. Putta's face fell. Wait, said Muttaji. Let me see if I can remember something else. When I was about your age, 9 or 10, my uncle from Bombay visited us and told us about clean trains. Clean trains? Yes. Muttaji was excited. They had started running in Bombay that year. You never got dirty travelling in them. No black dust on your clothes and praise. No grime, nothing. The twins stared at her. Why would anyone get dirty while travelling by train? Some years later, Muttaji continued, I got married. The law was that a girl should be at least 15 before she was married, and my father would never break the law, so I must have been 16 by then. Very soon after my marriage, your Muttaja got a job in Bombay, and so we left Mysore. Did anything important happen the year you got married, Muttaji? Asked Putta. Yes, said Muttaji sadly. Our Maharaja inaugurated our big dam, the beautiful gardens next to it, during the Dasara festival. That year, I missed it. I was in Bombay. A big dam? Putta sat up. Isn't it still there? Muttaji hooted with laughter. Of course, rock solid too. It was the dam that tamed Kaveri. No more floods in the monsoon and enough water for the fields in the summer. Amma put her head around the door. Are you talking about KRS, Amma? KRS, Muttaji said, looking fondly at Aji. Your Aji was my 5th child, the youngest but always the smartest. Do you know this, twins? My children came like clockwork. Every 2 monsoons, the day your Aji decided to come out, your Muttaja could not be found. Later, he told us that he had gone to see Gandhi give a speech at the Gavalia Tank Maidan. He was so excited. Quit India! He kept shouting the whole day. Silly man, disturbing the baby. Quit India? Putti's eyes grew round with excitement. We study that in history, Putta. That means that this movement started in 1942, which also means that 1942 means the year that Aji was born, pouted Putta. Not Muttaji. That's a start, said Putti. Which year were you born in, Aji? I will be 74 this year. So which year was I born in? Putti quickly did the calculations. 1942, she said. Aji nodded. Now, Aji is Muttaji's fifth child, and all her kids were 2 years apart, said Putta. So if Aji was born in 1942, Muttaji's fourth child was born in 1942 minus 2, 1940. The third child, 1940 minus 2, 1938. The second child, 1938 minus 2, 1936. And the first child, 1936 minus 2, 1934. So Muttaji was married in 1932. Not necessarily, said Putta. Muttaji didn't say her first child was born 2 years later after her marriage. She only said a dam was built in Mysore the year she got married. Maybe this will help, twins, Aji said, bringing out a bowl of vermicelli payasa, Muttaji's favorite sweet. KRS is the Krishna Nagar Dam. The Brindavan Gardens are attached to it. We went there to see the musical fountains last year, remember? The twins nodded. Said Putti. Your payasa is the best, Aji. When KRS was built, do you know, Aji? Aji shook her head. I'm not sure, but you can go with Ajja to the central library after lunch and find out there. In the library, Putti found a book on the history of Mysore. Here it is, she whispered. Two of Mysore's most visited tourist spots, the KRS Dam and the ancient Vrindavan Gardens, were opened to the tourists in 1932. The twins grinned. That meant Muttaji had indeed been married in 1932, 84 years ago. Muttaji thinks she was 16 when she would have gotten married, but she could have been 15, 17 or 18. She also said that she was about 9 or 10 when her Bombay uncle told her about the clean trains, said Putta. Ajja may know what that means. Ajja was in the reading room. Ajja, whispered Putti. In the olden days, did people get dirty travelling by train? Ajja nodded. There were steam engines then which ran on coal, not electricity, he said. The black coal dust used to fly out of the chimney and land on everything. Terrible. That's it. Putti has put down electric trains with the clean trains. He pulled out a book on Indian railways. It says here, he pointed, that India's first electric train came into Bombay in 1925. And Muttaji says she was about 9 by then. If she's right, then Muttaji was born in 1916. But she could be wrong, frowned Putti. Only one way to make sure, said Putta. We have to find out if that big party for kings and queens, which Muttaji said happened 5 years before she was born, happened in 1911. They ran back to Ajja. Ajja, there was a grand party for a foreign king who visited India around 1911. Ajja frowned. 1911? Why does that date sound so familiar? Ah, yes. It was the year the Gateway of India was built in Bombay. And yes, it was built to welcome the British Emperor of India, George V. There must have been several parties, not just one. Ajja tapped his forehead, looking very pleased with himself. Not bad for an old brain, eh? Not bad at all, cried the twins. Thanks, Ajja. They knew exactly how old Muthaji was. 5 minutes later, the twins came racing homewards. Muthaji, they panted, rushing straight into her room. Did the Mysore Maharaja get his gold medal from King George V? Ah, said Muthaji happily. That's it, George. What clever children you are. That means that Muthaji, you were born in 1916. You are exactly 100 years old today. That is great detective work, twins, smiled Amma. I think you and Muthaji deserve a special treat. A big spongy one with pink icing and a rose on top. Hooray! Cheered the twins. That is the end of the story. I really hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.